Finally, you can fix AMD Adrenalin 2660C2 driver install failed and black screen issues. I faced this problem too, and after trying many fixes, I found several methods that work, and I will show them to you now. The first approach involves thoroughly removing any old driver remnants before installing the latest stable version. This ensures a clean slate, preventing conflicts that cause installation failures and black screens. Next, we explore rolling back to a known good driver version and using specialized AMD cleanup tools. This method is effective because it reverts to a state where the graphics card was functioning correctly, eliminating corrupted files. Then, we look at ensuring your Windows operating system and motherboard chipset drivers are fully up to date. This is crucial because outdated system components can interfere with new graphics driver installations. Finally, we utilize a powerful display driver uninstaller tool in safe mode for a complete deep clean. This is the most robust method as it removes all traces of potentially conflicting driver software, allowing the new driver to install without interference. Following these steps will solve AMD Adrenalin 2660C2 driver install failed and black screen errors.